well, अक्सर देखा गया है कि पॉपुलर मूवीज के साथ फैंस और ऑडियंस के दिल भी जुड़ जाते हैं, नॉट ओनली विद द कैरेक्टर्स बट एक्चुअली विद द मूवीज। वेल, आपको बता देते हैं पास्ट की कितनी सारी ऐसी खास बॉलीवुड मूवीज थी जिनके साथ फैंस का दिल, दिमाग और उनकी लॉयल्टी जुड़ गई थी। कुछ फैंस पसंद करते थे एक खास कलाकार की मूवीज को और वहीं दूसरे फैंस पसंद करते थे एक पर्टिकुलर मूवी को। और ऐसे ही दो मूवीज जिन्होंने रिसेंटली कंप्लीट किया है 2 डेकेड इंडस्ट्री में, यानी कि 20 लॉन्ग इयर्स इन द इंडस्ट्री, वुड बी लगान एंड गदर। लेकिन आप इन मेमोरीज को रिविजिट करते हुए बॉलीवुड के एक नामचीन कलाकार एक बहुत ही स्ट्रॉन्ग स्टेटमेंट कहते हुए नजर आए हैं। अनुज शर्मा revisits how the entire country had actually turned into a huge crazy festival because of लगान एंड गदर। लेकिन साथ ही साथ वो ये भी कहते हैं कि आजकल people are super afraid of the clash that happened with their choice of movies. While to mark the 20 years of Lagan and Gadar and better understand the mass hysteria around both the milestone movies, and if it really was a war between them as the media has built up back then, a leading director Anuj Sharma ended up giving his special quotes in regards to the same. 2 score of the years of the day, a milestone had been etched in the Indian cinematic history. Both Lagan and Gadar had been released on 15 June 2000, and while it was neither the first time that the two big movies clashed, nor the last time that they both performed well, Aamir Khan and Sunny Deol's starrer Euphoria, both movies generated across the entire country, had ended up being a huge competition. Even their accolades were shared. If the Ashutosh Gawar film walked away with its most of the awards, including an Oscar nomination no less, just the third and the last time an Indian film achieved the honor, then Anuj Sharma directorial created history at the box office en route to becoming the highest grossing film even in the Indian cinema at that time. While to mark the 20 years of Lagan and Gadar and better understand the whole scenario, director Anuj Sharma से इसी बात पे सवाल उठाए गए. Rubbishing all the past talk of the clash between Gadar Ek Prem Katha and Lagan and spilling beyond the box office, Anuj Sharma instead revealed that both the films created nothing short of a festival across the entire nation. वो कहते हैं, the date 15 June 2000 was a festival for cinema. Lagan was also a very good film, and I had seen it at theatre, really enjoyed it and clapped a lot with the movie. It was really great film and brought India a lot of honor to it. So it had worked very well. Wahi, Gadar had also worked very well and the festival atmosphere was created throughout India. If people used to watch the 12 p.m. show of Lagan, they did go and watch the 3 p.m. show of Gadar. And if they'd watch the 12 p.m. show of Gadar, तो वो जाके 3 बजे का शो देखते थे लगान का. That actually was the story back then because the shows were fixed for 12, 3, 6, 9 and that so on. Making it a crazy festival for cinema all over India created a lot of love for cinema in the country and motivated many people to make good films. So it wasn't much of a clash, it was a celebration is what the filmmaker ends up quoting here. Lamenting how the makers these days are scared of clashing with each other in the theatres, thus stifling the prospect of another such festival atmosphere, Anil ji add karte hue bolte hain, I wish that this happens every year, that we get to watch such films nearly, but the films are not clashing anymore. Nowadays, people are afraid to clash. Either your film should come or mine is their thought. Those days, both the makers were confident about their films and were so sure that forget 2, even 6 films could have released simultaneously at that particular time. Today too, people watch 6 to 8 episodes on OTT in a stretch at home during lockdown. So they still have the stamina to watch. They watch if they will actually wish to. But the filmmaker do not want to have the same confidence. They want to make a whack with their initial in a 3 days and be satisfied. All year, people used to look forward to their film running in the minimum of 25 weeks come out. And now they're not even interested in them for actually running for 3 weekends. Why are they actually so scared? It's not like we don't have good filmmakers today. We do. But somehow the perception, the feel, the mindset has completely changed. But we have seen it can actually happen with an Avenger and also a Bahubali. People no longer have the faith on their own capacity. Their capacity has actually become zero. Continuing his own statement, the filmmaker says, revealing his wish that the industry sees much more of Lagans and Gadars, Anuj Sharma conclude करते हैं अपनी खुद की statement और कहते हैं, I hope that those days of festivals and celebrations of cinema happen again every year. We all should hope that at least one film a year like Lagan and Gadar should come on the Friday, where makers aren't really afraid of the films that actually clash with one another. Instead, such films would actually compensate each other, hug each other and move forward, praise each other, and then you will see how much the fun everyone has. Public, cinema halls, industry and all would have such great fun. That's the atmosphere we really need to create. That's the dreamy atmosphere which we had occurred between Lagan and Gadar. I wish this atmosphere takes place at least once every year. While that's an extensive throwback that we actually could have brought to you on the 20 years of Gadar and Lagan, and that too straight from the horse's mouth, हम उम्मीद करते हैं कि 20 साल of the successful running of these two movies would have actually filled with a lot of memories for you people. Well, if you have any special memories that are joined or maybe linked with Gadar, एक प्रेम कथा and also Lagan, हमारे साथ नीचे बने comment section में जरूर share करिएगा. Well, on the eve of actually completing 2 decades in the industry, we can only applaud the filmmakers and the entire cast and crew for their hard work for giving us such beautiful pieces in the history of Indian cinema. आप हमारे साथ जुड़े रहिए और नीचे बने कमेंट सेक्शन में जरूर शेयर करिएगा what are your thoughts. Until then, stay tuned to Telly Chakkar for all the more updates for the Telly world.
Know all about the Telly world by subscribing to Telly Chakkar's YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated to our new videos.